Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the hospital management system using Python. So user have to first log in with the username and password. Then it will open the main menu. So user can register a doctor, view the doctor details with the ID, name and specialty. Okay, so let's register the doctor. User have to enter the first name, last name and specialty. And then click on register button, so it will store the data in database. Okay, I'm entering the first name Tom, last name Patrick and specialty psychologist, and then click on register. So it will store the data in database. You can also view the details. Okay, let's close it. And if user want to delete the data, then you have to just select the row and then click on delete button, so it will delete the data. This is the view section, like it is deleted from database. And user can also update the data which they have entered. So user can also update from the name. Okay, and then click on the view button. Let's close it. And this is the discharge patient section. You can see all the details. If you want to discharge any patient, then you have to just click on discharge, and you can view the view discharge patient section. This is the assigned doctor to a patient. It will show with the ID, and you can choose the doctor, like which doctor you have to assign. This is the update admin details, and these are the discharge section. So let's click on update admin detail. User have to enter the username, password and address. So let's enter the username new, password 1234 and address XYZ, and then click on update button. So user can log in with that particular updated username and password, and then click login button, so it will open the home page. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.